Hey everybody, Mike McKelly here again, Wakeside Marine. Got our virtual boat show still happening through the entire month of January, and heck, we might just roll it into February until the ice comes off the lakes. I want to introduce you to a couple new additions to the showroom here. The South Bay 224 RSLE. This is equipped with the 2.75 Sport Tri-Tune package. We did it in charcoal gray with flagstone interior and black onyx accent. This has the dual captain seats, both port and starboard, radius seating, bow and stern. 24 foot 2 inch is the deck measurement on this boat. We've equipped it with the LED docking lights up here in the bow, tilt steering, comes standard with the stainless steel tow bar. We've slapped a Yamaha F-150 on it, 27-gallon fuel tank, standard bimini, 8.5 foot wide by 10 foot, give you plenty of coverage on those hot days on the water. Plenty of room in here. You got 4 loungers, both port and starboard. We've equipped this also with the Humminbird fish finder mounted in the dash. This has space for 13 people. Come see it here this weekend. We're here Saturdays 9 to 1, Tuesday through Friday 10 till 5. We'll go to spring hours starting April 1st.